so much. That was really wonderful. Give a big round of clap, children. Very nice, Shiva. Good. Yes, good evening, Roshan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. Okay, welcome you all to a fresh week this week. Okay, we'll start with the warm-up now. Ready? 3. Gautam Rishi, good evening.
Good, ma'am.
Okay, ready for the warm-up?
Warm up. Come on.
Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on.
Very good, children. That's a good start for this week. Very good comeback. Good evening, Kumara Guruparan. Good evening, Ryan.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Izan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, and then who is? That's it. Okay, we'll start with attendance. Adya. Okay. Arjun. Dayan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Give me a minute. Yes, Dayanand, Arjun, Dayanand I called. Okay. Gautam Rishi.
Here I am, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Check. Shaktin Kaushik. Not it. Kavin. Kumara Guruparan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Why were you on leave on Friday? Kumara Guruparan. Why you didn't come on Friday?
Told, ma'am.
Now you are okay. Oh, now you are okay. Okay, Lisha. Oh, she's gone. Lisha, no. Lakshraj.
Here I am, ma'am.
Good evening, Lakshraj. You came?
Good
No.
evening, ma'am.
Okay. Lekshita. No absent. Satvik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nikita. Nikita. Nivin Surya. Good. Nivin Surya. Roshan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Mahasan. Ryan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Sai Charan.
Here I am.
Izan.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am.
Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Ratika. Yuvan Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Ryan, did you get a chance for Kidzi Anthem, Ryan?
Sorry, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
No problem, Varnika. Ryan, did you get a chance to say Kidzi Anthem? Okay, Adya came. Okay, Adya. Good evening, Adya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, Ryan. Can you hear me? Did you get a chance? Did you get a chance to say Kidzi Anthem?
No.
No. Will you do it tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
So prepare for the Kidzi Anthem coming tomorrow. You have to join little early. By 2:05 you should join. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We'll start the rhyme time. Can you Sai Charan? It's a classroom. Can you sit properly, dear? Okay, thank you. Now let me ask. Those people have sang and showed me. Yes, Zizan. 8 planets under the sun. Can you sing 8 planets under the sun?
8 planets and the sun. Let me call by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in the ring in rain.
Neptune.
Neptune,
Uranus and
Uranus and
Uranus and Neptune are the closest.
are the
Close.
they are not close. They are
far.
Far
are so far,
and so far.
but are so far,
Are so far.
but just
In
in
tune.
Very good, Izan. Okay. Yes, Yuvan sir. Come on, 8 planets.
8 planets on the sun. Let me call by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn coming with ring in light. Uranus, Neptune are so far that you
So far, but just in tune.
just keep doing.
Okay. Yes, good evening, Lakshita. You have joined. How are you?
I find Mama.
Okay. Yes, Adya, 8 planets and the sun.
8 planets and the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes the ring in light. Uranus and Neptune are so far just in tune.
Good, very good. Yes, Roshan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Eight planets.
8 planets on the sun. Let me call them one by one. Make you win a certain mark. Are the closest to the sun? Uranus, Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with a ring in line. Jupiter and Neptune are of our birth. Just think you.
Very good. Lakshmash.
Yes, ma'am.
8 planets in the sun.
8 planets on the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in the ring in line. Uranus and Neptune are so far,
but just think you.
just tune you.
So far, but just in tune.
Just in tune.
Okay. Kumara Guruvaran, Tata cake. Kumara Guruvaran. Pat a cake. Pat eaten.
Mark it with me. Put it in the oven for baby.
Good, very good, Kumara Guruvaran. Okay. Good evening, Kavin. Kavin and Ryan. Kavin and Ryan, can both of you sing together Pat a cake? Wait. Kavin, ready? Please wait. Kavin, ready? I can't hear your voice. Can you unmute, Kavin?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, 3, both of you together, okay? 3, 2, 1, start. Bake me a cake.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Bake it and prick it and mark it with the bee and put it in the oven for baby and me.
Very good. Started one, ending one. Good. Both of you very good. Okay. So now, run time over. We are going to start with a new concept this week. Okay. Last week we saw about India. We have been learning about our national flag, emblem, all those we learned. Last week we learned about the monuments, important places in India. This week we are going to learn some more new topic, and today the topic is landforms. Okay, landforms. When you go outside, you walk in the road. The road is flat. Okay. You go in a bus or a train. When you see outside, all the places are same. All the places are flat. No, there are many things in the land. Mountains, hills. So those are called as landforms. So we are going to see about landforms today. Okay, can you all see my screen? So we are going to see about mountain. Thank you. Mountain, hill, valley, and then plain. We are going to learn about 4 things today. Okay, mountain, hill, valley, plain. Okay, so what is mountain? What is hill? Mountain will be steep, like this, very tall. Mountain will be very high. It will be steep and it will have a tip, pointed tip. It will be very tall. Okay, hill will be little curved. It will not be as tall as the mountain. So hill will be little short and it will have a curve like this. Mountain will be steep and it will be like this. Mountain will be like this. Hill will be like this. Okay. So mountain will be very tall. So when somebody asks you which is easier to climb, hill is easier to climb. Mountain is very tall. So mountain is difficult to climb. Okay. So when it's a pointed tip like this, it is mountain. When it is little curved with less height, then it is hill. Okay, the place between two mountains is called valley. The place between two mountains, see, mountain. The place between two mountains is called valley. Valley. Okay, and the flat ground. The flat ground near these places is called plain. Plain. You know aeroplane, no? That is Plane. This is plain. Plain. Okay. The flat land is called plain. Okay. So 4 things. Mountain. Shiva, what are you doing there? Mountain, hill, valley, plain. Okay. Mountain, hill, valley, plain. Okay. Lakshita, can you unmute and say the 4 landforms with me?
Mountain, plain,
Mountain,
hill,
valley,
alley,
plain.
plain.
Okay, plain. Ain. Okay, plain.
Plain.
Okay, so we are going to see this landforms. Okay, I'll show you some more pictures now. So this today we are going to see about landforms. What are these called? So when I ask you, can you name me some landforms, children? So you should say Izan. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
there? Mountain,
Mountain, hill,
valley,
valley,
plain.
plain.
Thank you, Izan. So when I ask you landforms, you should say all these 4. Mountain, hill, valley, plain. Okay, there are many landforms. We are just learning 4 today. I'll show you some more pictures now. Okay. Give me a minute, I'll share the screen. So if you see in this picture, it is little more clear. Mountain, see, it is very tall and it has a tip like this, like inverted V. That is mountain. Hill will not be tall at all. See, it is like curved. You can easily climb the hill. Okay, we are going to see only valley today. Let's all see all this tomorrow. Okay, plateau all we'll see tomorrow. Valley, the place between 2 mountains is called valley. Plain, flat land. You can walk easily. You need not climb. That is plain. Mountain, hill, valley, plain. Okay, so children, now let's do the worksheet. Can you all take out your worksheet? Day 146, CT worksheet. 146, 146 CT worksheet. What, Dayanand?
I already finished it in yesterday worksheet.
Okay. Please take 146. Dayanand, kind help will you do? If you complete the worksheet early, in the class, what will you do, Dayanand? So don't complete the worksheet before, okay? Just complete the homework worksheet. Okay, Dayanand? We learn and then we'll write. Okay, if you write it, then what will you do in the class? You'll sit idle, no? Okay? Have you all taken your worksheet, children? Can you all write your name there? Yes, please write your name. Put today's date. Everybody found out the worksheet? Is anybody finding it difficult to find out 146 CT worksheet?
I found it, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we are going to solve the crossword. Please write your name. Put today's date. We are into new month today. What is a month now? Naveen Surya, what is a month today?
March.
Very good. Yeah, are you Naveen Surya, Kavin? That's a right answer, Kavin. Okay, let Naveen Surya think and answer. We have to give him some time, no? Yes, Naveen Surya, March. Okay. So we are in March month. So write 1st March. So 1.3.21. Please write 1.3.21. 2121. Even say I wrote the name and date 1.3.21.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So first one, we are going to solve the crossword. We are going to solve the crossword. Before that, we'll read the words. Okay. I want Grithvik to unmute and read the first word.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this, Grithvik.
V A L L E Y. 343.
Valley.
Valley.
Okay. Kavin, what do you want, Kavin? Please stay on Kavin. 146. 146. 146, dear. Yes, Grithvik. One more time, Grithvik.
Okay, ma'am. V A L L E Y. Valley.
Valley. Good. Mahaswin. Read the word, ma. H. Mahaswin. Mm. Hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. Okay. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Satvik.
Yes.
M.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. M.
M
Mm.
O
Mm.
A I N.
Okay. How do you read this? Out. Mount. Ain. Mountain. Okay. Arjun. This word. Last word, Arjun. P. Are you there, Arjun? Arjun is not there. Okay, Gautam Rishi.
Plane.
Are you there, Gautam?
Plane.
Read, say loudly, ma'am.
Plane.
Read the spelling, dear.
Spelling and spelling and
P L A I N. Plane.
Very good. Gautam, I forgot to ask you the rhyme. Gautam, can you sing any one rhyme? 8 planets or Padagate? What are you going to sing?
any one rhyme. Which rhyme you want to say?
Pathetic.
He doesn't. He didn't learn that 8 planets, ma'am. He will sing
Okay.
the.
Why are you a little dull? You're not well?
No, ma'am. I scolded him because he didn't listen the session, so I scolded him. That's why he sang.
Okay, cheer up. Come on, come on. We both will sing Padagate. Come on.
Come on.
Padagate, Padagate.
I'm just going to sing with you.
We'll sing?
Pathetic.
You should teach me. I'm going to sing. Okay?
Loudly, loudly, loudly.
Pathetic. Baker's man.
Padagate, bakers, man.
Let me get.
Let me pick of us you can.
Make me a cake as fast as you can. Can I say like that?
Sing
Come
loud.
on, open your mouth, sing louder.
Come on, cheer up. Sing loudly.
Then pat it and
Okay. Pat it. Pat it.
Pathetic.
Unfree.
mark it with D.
I said sorry, no? Sing.
Put it in the oven for Ma'am and Gautam. Okay? Okay, Gautam? Thumbs up. Good boy. Cheer up, okay? Okay, children, we'll start this worksheet now. So, first one. Landform with pointed tip. What I said, when it is pointed like this, Sai children, what it is, mountain or hill? Pointed, it is pointed, mountain or hill? Sai Charan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. It's a mountain, ma'am.
Mountain. Very good, Saicharan. When the landform is pointed, the pointed tip, it is mountain. Very good. So across we are going to write mountain. First, number 1. Look at number 1. We are going to write like this across. This is down. Okay. So in this box, start writing spelling for mountain. M O U N T A I N, mountain. Mountain. First, when the landform with pointed tip is mountain. Good, Saicharan. Next, Roshan. The landform with rounded tip. The landform with rounded tip. Mountain or hill? See, landform with rounded tip. Are you there, Roshan? Hill. Good. Number 2, hill. H I L L, hill. H I L L, hill. Next, Varnika. The flat area of land is called plain or valley? Flat area is called?
Flat area.
Is called plain or valley?
Plain.
Plain. So this is plain. Okay. Plain.
Plain.
Spelling, sir.
P-L-A-I-N.
Very good. Yes, N is already there. So just write P-L-A-I. Thank you, Varnika. Good. Next, Shravan. The area between two hills of mountain is called?
Valley.
Very good. Can you spell it out for me?
V L L E Y. Valley.
Very good. V A L L E Y. Valley. Good. Are you all writing with me? Kumara Gorubar and Kavin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nivin Surya? Good. Okay. Satvik finished? Ryan finished?
Yes, started. I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay. So the landform with pointed tip is mountain, with rounded tip is hill. The pointed tip is mountain, rounded tip is hill. The place between two hills of mountain is valley. The flat area is called plain. Flat area is called plain. Finished, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Okay. So before we move on to the next one, quick recap on ascending and descending. Remember, what is ascending? Shiva, what is...
Ma'am.
Finished, Ryan? Good. Shiva, what is ascending, Shiva?
Small to big.
Okay, descending?
Big to small.
Big to small. Good. Let me ask, wait. Dayanand. Dayanand, what is ascending, Dayanand?
Small to big.
Okay. Descending?
Big to small.
Big to small. Okay, good. Yes, Ryan. Ascending.
Small to big.
Okay, descending.
Big to small.
Big to small. Okay. So I'll write a number. You're going to tell me. Okay, Ryan. Ready? Okay. So first I want you to say me ascending. So ascending is what? Small to big, right? So which is the smallest number here?
2.
Very good. So what is the next smallest number?
5.
Very good. What is the next smallest, the biggest number here?
15.
Very good, Ryan. Okay, now tell me. Very good. The ascending is perfect. Descending. Descending is big to small. So which is the biggest number here?
15.
Perfect.
5 2.
Very good, children. So what is the clue here? Ascending, whatever you are writing. Descending. Shiva, listen here, Shiva. Ascending, whatever you are writing, small to big. Descending, you are just going to reverse it. You are going to write from this side. From right to left, just copy it. That will become descending. Okay? Very good, Ryan. Give a big left clap for Ryan. Good, Ryan. Perfect. Flawless. Next, let me ask. Kumara Guruparan. Tell me ascending.
1.
1. Then which is the next small number?
0.
Where is 0? 0 is not there.
6.
6. Don't ask anybody. Look here and tell me.
And 10.
10. Okay. Okay, next. Mahaswin. Class is here, Mahaswin. What are you doing? The talking always, Mahaswin. What is descending?
Descending.
Big to small. Which is the biggest number here?
10.
10. Okay, then 6, 1. Which is bigger?
6 numbers.
Very good. 6. Then
1.
1. Good. Next, human side.
Yes, ma'am.
Ascending. Small to big. Which is smallest number here?
1.
No, it's 12, 3, 4.
12, 3, 4.
Which is the smallest number here?
3.
3. Okay. What? Then 3, 4 and 12. Which is small?
4.
4. Then 12. Okay. Good. Next, Izan.
Ma'am.
Descending. What is descending?
Descending. What is descending?
Big to small.
Very good. Big to small. Which is the biggest number here?
Which is the biggest number? 4 छोड़ बड़ा. क्या है numbers क्या है देखो.
Louder, Izan. Read out the numbers. 12, 3,
12.
No, I have not written 1 here. It is 12.
12. 1 2 12.
12, 3, 4. Which is the biggest number, Izan?
Okay, ma'am.
Which is a bigger one? 12, 3, 4. Which is a bigger number?
12.
Very good.
12. Okay. 3 and 4. Which is bigger? 3 and 4. Which is bigger?
3 and 4. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger or 4 is bigger?
4.
Very
4,
good.
ma'am.
Yes. Then
Hey,
Good, Isan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have already completed the 146 worksheet. So please take out 147, tomorrow's worksheet. 147 empty worksheet. 147 empty worksheet. I'll show you the worksheet now. This one, 147 empty worksheet. It's very easy. 147, have you all taken? Please write your name and date, children. I'm going to count from 20.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Dayanand.
Can you please share the screen?
I'm sharing the screen now. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the worksheet, dear. 147, 147 empty worksheet. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to count, ma'am.
You want to count? Just now you got chance. Now I'm going to call somebody else. They haven't got a chance. Thank you, Rizan, for understanding. Thank you so much. Let me call Kavin. Where are you, Kavin? You came back.
Ma'am.
Here only. Okay, Kavin, count from 20, dear. Fast, fast. I want all of you write your name and before Kavin completes.
17, 16, 15, 16, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much, Kavin. That was really nice, interesting. Yes. Satvik. Satvik is going to count. Satvik, you remember skip counting of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you count quickly?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,
90? 100. Okay, thank you. Roshan. Roshan, do you remember skip counting of 5, Roshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you count? Still some people are writing their names. Please finish it fast. Come on.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Good, Roshan. Thank you. Yes, Rayan. Very good, Rayan. Happy to see that you completed your worksheet now. Very good. Okay. Come on, take out the worksheet, children. So we're going to match the number. Yes, against the currency note. Okay. So some of them haven't started, so I'm going to help for them. Those who have completed, please check if ma'am is doing it right or not. If I do something wrong, you should tell me. Okay. So you're going to watch properly. Let me call. Yes, I didn't give chance to. Yes, Dayanand. Kumara, you got a chance. Okay, so I'm going to call Dayanand. Yes, Dayanand. What's this number, Dayanand?
20, ma'am.
Yes, what it is? 20 rupees. What it is?
20 rupees.
Yeah, you have this rupee symbol, no? So you should not say just 20. You should say 20 rupees. What you should say?
20 rupees.
Okay, check. Am I joining it right? 20 rupee note, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, Dayanand. Thank you. Lakshita.
100 rupees.
Okay.
What's
100 rupees. 100 rupees.
100 rupees. Okay. Okay, Lakshraj, am I joining it right, Lakshraj? Thank you, Lakshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is joining
Am I
it.
joining it right?
No.
No, why are you saying yes? Okay, so now tell me, am I joining it right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Lakshaj. Yes, 100 rupee. Yes. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this?
5 rupee.
5 rupee. Very good. Okay. Maswin, am I joining it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Check, am I joining it right, Mahaswin?
Correct.
Here it is 5. Here it is 50. Am I joining it right? 5 rupee note to 50 rupee note?
No.
No. Am I joining it right now? Mahaswin, yes or no?
No.
No, now also no.
మ్యామ్ 5 రూపీస్ నోట్ కి చేస్తారా లేదా అది కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పమని
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Listen to my question, Mahaswin. Listen to my question. Okay.
I look at the 5 rupees.
Oh, you thought 5 rupees? Okay, no problem.
I look in the handlet.
Okay. Now you got to, now am I done it right? Now have I done it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Yes, next you and Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
50 rupees.
Very good. 50 rupee. Okay. Am I joining it right, you and Sai?
No.
No. Okay.
This here.
Okay, here. Is this correct, Yuvansai?
Correct, ma'am.
Thank you, Yuvansai. Thanks for correcting me. Thank you so much. See, ma'am is making so many mistakes today. Okay, Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
What's this? What rupee is this? 10 rupee.
10 rupees.
Okay, thank you, Varnika. Shiva, am I joining it right, Shiva?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, you finish. What ma'am is doing? Have I done it right? 100 rupee note, have I joined correctly?
No.
Why?
This is 10.
Okay, it's 10 rupee. Where have I joined?
100 rupee only. You are 10.
Oh, I did 100 rupee. Okay. So 10 rupee note to 10 rupee. Is it correct now?
Correct.
Thank you, Shiva.
Now put it.
You finished it? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, did you all finish it? Everybody, this worksheet is simple, right? Yes. So just make sure, children, when you join it, look for the number. Check if it is 5 or 50. Okay. So if it's 5 rupee note, 5 rupee, the number is 5, then you should join only to 5 rupee note, not 50 rupee note. The same way, if the number is 10, you should join it to 10 rupee note and not 100 rupee note. Just check the number properly. Okay, so it's little misleading. Okay, done. Okay, so we're going to start with a new rhyme today. Okay, I want all of this to sit straight. Ready? Okay. I know a boy named Roy. Can you hear me? I know a boy named Roy. He has a noisy toy. What does it mean? The boy's toy is very noisy. It will make some noise. It will have a horn and it will make some noise. He put some oil and put it to boil to fix the noisy toy. One more time. I know a boy named Roy. He has a noisy toy. He put some oil. Sorry, he got some oil and put it to boil to fix the noisy toy. We'll learn para by para. Okay, last one more time. I'll show you the picture now so that it'll be nice for you to see. Give me a minute. I'll show you the picture. You will have it in your book, rhyme book. Okay, tomorrow you can bring the rhyme book so that we can read it together. See this boy, his boy name is green color dress, no? This boy name is Roy. Okay, see he's having a toy. He's having a red color car. Okay, the car is making. What's that, ma?
I don't have the rhyme book.
No problem. You need not have the rhyme book. I will show you the pictures. Okay. Those who have only ask them to get it, Diana. No problem, Diana. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So he's getting an oil in a can and he's putting the oil in the car. The car runs smoothly. Okay. So this is just a toy. This is just a toy car. Okay. I know a boy named Roy. He has a noisy toy. So when it is noisy, what will you do? When you go outside, the car makes long. So what will you all do? You close your ears. No noisy. It is very noisy. That like that, his car is also making a lot of sound. Okay. I know a boy named Roy. He has a noisy toy. He got some oil and put it to boil to fix the noisy toy. Okay. So that only we are going to start learning because I think almost everybody are singing Pat a Cake and 8 Planets Around the Sun. Diana, sing with me 8 Planets Around the Sun, Diana, once.
Okay, ma'am.
8 planets and the sun.
8 planets and the sun.
Let me call them one by one.
Let me call them one by one.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars
are the closest to the sun.
are the closest to the sun.
Jupiter is big in size.
Jupiter is big inside.
Saturn comes with a ringing line.
Saturn comes with the ringing line.
Uranus and Neptune are
Uranus and Neptune are
so far but just in tune.
just in tune.
Okay. So now can you all take out your worksheet, children? We are going to read a small, nice moral story. Take page number 146, ERP worksheet. You will have like this. You will have a small story there. Have you all taken the book? I mean the page? Yes? Shall we read the story? This is very nice small story. I want all of you to keep your fingers as we move on to the each word. I'm going to read slowly the story sentences. So you're going to touch each word along with me. In the middle, I will stop and I'll ask you the word spelling. Okay? So ready everyone? If ready, show me thumbs up. I can see Dayanand, Shiva, Varnika, Lakshra, Adya.
Ma'am, can you tell about number base?
I'm showing you that as Lakshraj. 146 ERP sheet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, everybody. Good, Shravan. Good, Nivin Surya. Yes. So, let's read. Read the story and answer the questions in complete sentences. So, there are 3 questions from the story. So, I will ask you the questions. You are going to answer me. So, please listen carefully. Okay, children? So, if you see this picture, what is there? There is a river flowing. There are family who have come for a picnic. They are sitting in the bank of this river and they are eating their foods. It's full of grass seeds, so greenery, looking so beautiful. This place is called Tejpur. Okay, we'll start reading now. T-H-E, the. I'm going to start from here. Okay, The town, T-O-W-N, town of Tejpur had a beautiful river. One more time I'm going to read. The town, look at my arrow on the screen, children. You point out your finger, the same words, okay? The town of Tejpur had a beautiful river. Full stop. The water of the river was clean and blue. See, clean, E-A. So sound is E. Clean, blue. U-E sound is U sound. Blue. Was clean and blue. The town people loved to have. Last week we read the spelling for have, no? H-A-V-E, have. Picnics, picnics, P-I-C, pic, N-I-C, nicks, picnics, picnics on its banks, B-A-N, banks, banks. But every time someone had a picnic, comma, they would throw, T-H, the sound, row, R-O-W, throw all the garbage, G-A-R, garbage, B-A-G-E, garbage, in the river. They would throw plastic, plastic bottles and empty packets of food in the water. So far what is the story? There is a town called Tejpur. It had a beautiful river. See, the river was beautiful. The water of the river was very clean and it's blue in color. The town people would come for a picnic and sit on its bank of the river. And every time they come for a picnic, what they are doing? They are throwing all the garbage in the river. See the next picture, children. What is in the river? All the garbages. So what we should do? Let me ask. Nivin Surya, what we should do, Nivin Surya? Should we throw the garbage in the river water?
No, ma'am.
And what we should do?
Is put them. Keep the dustbin.
Very good. We should put it in the dustbin. Good, Nivin Surya. But what they were doing, they throw all the plastic bottles and empty food packets in the water. Now, soon the river was full of garbage. The river was full of garbage. Arjun, what you are doing is right or wrong, Arjun?
Wrong.
Yes, wrong. They are not doing right. They are throwing all the plastic bottles, all the garbage and all the empty packets in the food packets in the river. It's bad. Very good, Arjun. The water became, so now what happened to the water? It became brown and dirty. The water became brown and dirty. There was no place to go for picnics. One day, all the children of Tejpur decided to clean the river. So after all the garbage are put, what was the color of the water, Varnika? When we put all the garbage in the river, the water will be in blue color. The water will be in brown and dirty, right? Yes. After many days of hard work. Next page, children. Hard work. The river was clean again. Next page. I'm reading the next page, children. I'll read one more time. After many days of hard work, the river was clean again. They put dustbins on the river banks to throw the garbage. Nobody littered anymore. Okay. So Gautam Rishi, tell me what happened at the end of the story, Gautam Rishi. Is the river water clean or it's still dirty?
Clean.
Who cleaned it?
Who are they?
Who are cleaning it?
Yeah.
Look at the picture.
Kids. Kids.
Yeah, the kids are cleaning it. Is it good habit or bad habit to clean the banks of the river?
Good.
Yes,
Good.
yes. Very good. The kids are doing a very good work. They are cleaning the river water, and now the river water is clean. Okay. Good, Gautam. Now take out your pencil, children. You're going to underline each word and read with me now. This page, okay? Ready? How, H-O-W, how was the water of the river earlier? Okay, so I'll write it here in the slate. You're going to write. So how was the water earlier in the beginning? Kumara Gurupan, how was the river water earlier in the first? Was it dirty or clean in the beginning?
Clean, ma'am.
Yes. Write with me. Write with me, children. Take out a pencil. Water of the river.
Ma'am, light glaring, ma'am.
It's glaring for you. Wait, let me try with a different color. Let me see it here. Is it okay now? Better? No?
Yes, ma'am. Better,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Also, I'll write it in the word also show you. Okay. Was clean and blue. The water of the river was clean and blue. Full stop.
Ma'am, it's glaring, ma'am. Can you?
Glaring for you. Okay. Give me a minute. I'll try writing with the black. Let me know. Kavin and Saichini, are you able to see this now? The black color. Is it still? No, I don't think it is. Okay, I'll write in a notepad and show you, children. Is it visible for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, children. If you finish the first line, first question answer, let me know. If you don't have space, you can write below, children. Okay. This is second answer. Have you all finished the first one? No? Okay. Kavin, can you sit and write, Kavin? That's not right to lie down and write, Kavin. Your neck will pain. Please sit and write. Sit properly and don't lie down. Everybody finish the first one. We'll discuss the next answer. Then only we're going to write. If you're finished, just show me thumbs up, children. The first one. I'll show again. Don't worry. I just wanted to know how many of you have finished. Dayanand finished. Kumara going to finish the first question. Okay. Second question. Dayanand, tell me, Dayanand. Why did the water become brown and dirty? Why did the water become brown and dirty?
There was garbage in the water.
Yes, very good. The people threw all the garbage in the water became brown and dirty. Okay. So the last question. Let me ask Gizan.
Ma'am.
How can we make the water clean? The water is dirty. So what we should do to the garbage?
Throw up in the water.
If we throw garbage in the water will become brown and dirty. Look here, Izan, listen to me.
इधर देखो garbage देखो.
Izan, what we should do to the garbage, Izan?
Garbage किधर फेंकते
If we throw it in the water, it will be brown and dirty.
Dustbin में
हैं?
Yes, we should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, children. So second one, the people threw all the garbage in the river. So only the river has become brown and dirty. Right, the second one, the people threw this one people threw all the garbage in the river. The people, say it right, the people threw all the garbage in the river. Ryan, are you writing, Ryan? Kavin?
Yes, ma'am.
Nivin Surya? Nivin Surya?
No, ma'am. I not finished, ma'am. I just writing, ma'am. Now one I writing, ma'am.
Okay, continue writing, Kavin. You want me to...
Please. Ma'am, can you please first number?
First, you haven't finished yet.
Mine not finished. First number.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Write fast, Lakshraj. Kumaragaran, finish the first one, Kumaragaran.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, you are writing the second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Lakshita. Arjun, finish the first one, Arjun. Adya, did you finish the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Shravan? First one finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mahaswin.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Mahaswin. Okay. Yuvansai, finish the second one, Yuvansai.
No, ma'am.
The first one finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So make sure, children, when you write a sentence, you should have a full stop at the end.
Ma'am, third one, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Okay. What I will do, the third sentence, I will send you in the message. You can write it at home, children. Okay? The first, yes, if the first two, if you finish, just let me know. Okay? Is anybody still writing the first one? Just give me a minute. Is anybody still writing the first one? Is anybody still writing the first one? Raise your hand. No, everybody finished the first one? Sachini, you are still writing the first one?
No, ma'am. I finished both the second one.
Okay, okay. So if you are finished, children, you can leave. Thank you so much. I'll send all these 3 lines back again in the message. If you have not written, you can